Good morning, guys. Well, I should say afternoon. It is Monday. And yes, it took me a while to get my mojo going. And let me move this light. Yeah, that's going to be better. Here's the deal. I am making the $250 cookies. They're Neiman Marcus cookies. I have Grandma Dr. Pepper. Now, the story behind this is that a lady went to visit a Neiman Marcus in Texas years ago. And she enjoyed a lunch. And she had dessert. It was the most delicious chocolate chip cookie in her life, ever. And she asked for the recipe. They graciously gave it to her, or so she thought. When January came around, she got December's statement. There was a charge, her lunch, a cookie, and then the recipe. $250 for a piece of paper with a recipe on it. She called them up, asked them about it. They let her know there was no mistake. That is what they charged for the recipe. So, being angry as she was, she did what I would do. Copy it and spread it as far as possible. So nobody ever has to pay that again. Alright, let's go. Get my mat situated here. And so far, I'm going to get you adjusted. I have the butter. This is a dough. If you haven't ever made this before, and you've never seen anyone else make it, this is the Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. This is a big boy. You're going to need the biggest bowls you have in your home. If the biggest thing you have in your home is a great big stock pot, you're going to need it for this. Alright, I'm going to mix cream, the sugar, and butter. Got 2 cups of butter. 2 cups of sugar. I made brown sugar yesterday, so I gotta let it kind of get room temperature. But I bring it back after I get all this cream together. Alright guys, I got the brown sugar added. I got the white sugar and butter and brown cream together. Now, the way my mixer is smelling, I think I might end up burning it up. Whoops. Let's see. There's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And no, I do not keep my vanilla in the refrigerator. Always crack your egg on a shelf. Whoops. I'm telling you, I'm just batting 100 today. I did not take my butter out last night when I should have. I didn't take the sugar out either. I ended up sticking it in the freezer. On top of all that, I was trying to load a video to my other channel, Anarchy Land, and Tony was working on her project for school. The cat pulled the plug on the computer. Took a little teeth, got a hold of the plug, and pulled it out from the back of the computer. I kid you not. So I've had to make sure that video got loaded. Now if y'all do content, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes your animals just don't want you to work on something. You just gotta take time with them. That's that. You know, that and your kids. You gotta do what your mommy heart says. Alright, I'm gonna shut you off because you know how to blend, right? Okay. I'll be back. Alright guys, we are on to the flour. And I've forgotten you need so much equipment to do this recipe. Holy cow. I'm going to use the rest of this whole flour because it really needs to get used. And with everything else in it, I don't really think you're going to taste it. Oh. Now it's 4 cups of flour. I remember the last time I made this was with my mother. After she got her blue, cobalt blue kitchen mixer. That poor mixer had so much trouble keeping up the demand on it that we had to just pull out the big guns, get the big bowls, and mix it by hand. It's just one of those things you just gotta get in there with the hands and get it done. Now, I'm not gonna use this flour. But I am going to do something better that'll help me measure out a lot better. So it's 2 cups in there, and I need 2 more. I actually got to get my food processor. Hopefully it'll hold up. Now actually, I gave in and I ordered another one. Yep. But I got a KitchenAid one, so it's going to last forever. My great-grandkids will be using it. Along with the mixer. Alright, there's 4 cups of flour. Pull that out. And I gotta put this back over here, out of the way. Because I also need to grab my processor. If you decide to make this, do some of the prep work the day before. I mean, pull out your butter, let it sit at room temp overnight. Pull your eggs out in the morning. Just, save yourself a lot of time. There's calls for 5 cups of flour blended. I mean oats blended. So, I'm going to bring you back when I get this done. Alright, I got this blended. So, basically you're going to cut it all up. That's what you're basically doing. This doesn't have to go in. Just go wipe it out. Grab my Dr. Pepper again. Alright, now. Now I gotta mix these together. So it's getting a little on the heavy side. This dough is. Batter, rather. So I do think we're going to have to go over to the hand thing soon. Alright guys, I'm going to get the rest of the stuff added. I got to add salt, baking powder, baking soda, and I'll bring you right back. Alright guys, here we are. One more run with this and I think that's going to be it. Oh my god. Okay, that's pretty much it for that. What we can use it for. And yes, taste test all the way through. Now comes the fun part. This isn't exactly 8 ounces of chocolate, but it's what Kroger had, so it's what I bought. And these bars are seriously expensive. Break these up. I don't want to put them through a food processor because I'm afraid it would melt. Okay, let's try one more run. That's it. A good way to clean your beaters off is right like this. Alright, there we go. Got to we get to move to one of my favorite utensils in my kitchen. It's one I inherited, and I've been using this for years. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure out the, oh my god, smell the molasses. I might have used too much molasses in that sugar. Yep, I did. Darn it. Move my drink. Move these over here. And after I get these in, it's going to be time to preheat the oven. One. A cup. And how much am I supposed to use of these? 24 ounces. Holy moly. Oh. You know what? I'm just going to use the rest of them because I'm not putting 2 ounces of chocolate back on my shelves. There's no sense in it. Alright guys, at this point you can start preheating your oven. Make sure you cleared it out. 350 as usual, and I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to roll these out. Roll them up, put them on sheets, and put them in the oven. Alright guys, it is time to scoop them out. I just got this. These are absolutely fantastic cookies. But these are the cookies you have once a year, and you really want to give people a special treat. But when the hubby has been very, very good, you can make these. Alright, I'm going to keep doing this. I will bring you back when I pull these out to show you how they look. When they're done, you're not going to believe it. They're so delicious. They're just absolutely fantastic. This is the last clip. Because this is a test batch. Always test your first ones. Your first round is your test round. Because you want to make sure your oven is heating where it should. And yeah, be careful because I just burnt myself. So let's pull these off here very carefully. Now as you set, they will set up real good. And there you go. Now, have a taste. Oh my god. I can't remember why did I wait so long to make these again. So, I'm gonna pull you off here. Give you one good look. One nice little close-up. These are beautiful. They're going to be very appreciated at Christmas when they get them on Christmas Eve. I will see you guys later.